you want me?
I showed
What
up.
do you want me to do? I can't.
I want you to let me speak for myself then.
He has filed an appearance on your behalf. He is supposed to be here. Have a seat. We will contact him to find out why he's not here. Thank you.
You have the.
Thank you.
Where's his attorney? Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Your
What's your
Honor.
name?
Ricky Burdett.
Do you know where your attorney is?
I do not. We'd agreed to meet at this time. I do not know where my attorney is. So I'm speaking for myself, I guess.
Well, no, you're not, because they filed a substitution of attorney, which I signed off on, saying that they were going to represent you. So you're going to be represented by counsel. Do you have a phone number for him at all, sir?
I do. It's,
All right.
I may have it here. My phone is
I-
in my vehicle.
Oh, okay, I got you. So, we're gonna give a call to his office, find out where he is. So you can have a seat. I'll pass the matter. Okay, I'll call it up in my next block.
Do you mean wait on him to come?
Yes.
What if he does not show like today?
Pardon?
What if he does not show today? Like for hours, you know?
I don't know. I mean,
It was agreed. That was his,
Okay.
that's his
Sir,
responsibility
what
to
do you
come.
want me?
I showed
What
up.
do you want me to do? I can't.
I want you
It's
to let me
fine.
speak for myself then.
He has filed an appearance on your behalf. He is supposed to be here. Have a seat. We will contact him to find out why he's not here. Thank you.
You have the.
Thank you.
no. The other lucky person is recall the case, People versus Tatiana Tedar. Is she here?
Good morning, again, Your Honor. Raymond Cook for the people.
Carolyn Foster Tucker on behalf of Tatiana Tedar.
Your name?
Tatiana Tedar.
Okay. I had faith that you'd show up.
Yeah.
You're a, no, go bring the baby with you. For goodness sakes. Of course gonna cry. When Alan leaves me, I cry.
Sorry.
See? Why are you shaking your head?
Because he's just giving me a rough day today. So, yeah.
That sweet little child.
Yeah.
I know it's not your fault. All right. I have before me a plea form. She's going to plead to the charge of retail fraud, second degree. Correct?
Correct.
There is also a sentence recommendation or sentence agreement of the prosecutor's deferred.
That's correct, Your Honor.
That is correct.
All right. Just, what is she?
I'm sorry.
Take a deep breath. The baby's doing nothing.
Yeah, he's just heavy.
He's just heavy?
Yeah, he's heavy.
Okay. She can sit down if she wants.
No, it's okay. He's gonna cry. It's okay. Thank you, though. No, it's okay.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm
Then
positive.
quit complaining.
Okay.
No, I'm kidding. Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes.
You solemnly swear to affirm the testimony you're about to give the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
State your name, please.
Tatiana Tedar.
Ma'am, it is this court's understanding that you're going to be pleading guilty to the charge of retail fraud, second degree.
Yes.
That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration, a $2,000 fine plus court cost. Fine could be increased to 3 times the value of the property taken. If that's greater than $2,000, that would become the maximum fine. You understand that?
Yes.
All right. Still wish to plead guilty?
Yes.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes.
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
Yes.
Any question regarding any of those rights?
No.
Please look at paragraph 5. You'll see a copy on the podium. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand that by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
Okay.
You understand that?
Yes.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead?
No.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No.
You're doing this voluntarily?
Yes.
Of your own free will?
Yes.
And because you believe that you are indeed guilty of this offense?
Yes.
June 11, 2025, at the location of 31458 Carpenter Road in Pittsfield Township, Washington County, State of Michigan. What'd you do at TJ Maxx that makes you think that you're guilty?
I took some items. Just speak for me, right? Okay, I took some items. I was with another person, but I guess
You were
everything.
part of
Yeah,
the plan to take some items and try to remove them from the store without paying for them?
correct,
All right, the store was open to the public at the time?
correct.
You didn't have anybody's permission to take that property, did you?
No,
And the property that you took was offered for sale by TJ Maxx?
correct.
And are we doing this on the price?
Yes, Your Honor.
Was the amount that you took from the store, the total amount, was that in excess of $200?
Yeah,
Your Honor, if I can voir dire her.
Go ahead.
You and your friend both took some items, correct?
yeah,
And the amount that
came together. Yeah,
total between the two of you was over 200, right?
correct.
All right. Ma'am, I have to advise you that if I accept your plea, if it be between the time of the plea and the time of sentencing, if you commit misconduct as defined under the Michigan court rules, that the court would no longer be bound by any sentence evaluation or recommendation, you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea. You understand that?
Yes, I
Is
do.
counsel aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
None from the people.
No, Your Honor.
Have I complied with the court rule?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to this charge. Defendant is referred to probation for a pre-sentence investigation and report. Sentencing in this matter will be March 11th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond with its conditions will continue. Ma'am, on your way out on the left-hand side, you and the baby need to stop by probation to make an appointment.
Okay, thank you.
All right?
Yeah, thank you very much.
Be nice to that little, how old?
He's one.
He's one.
better
He's
be
just,
nice to me.
he's just one.
Yeah.
Not-
Thank you.
Thank
Not
you, Your
that
Honor.
heavy. Bye.
Ms. Hines, who should be on Zoom.
Hello,
Hello, state your name, ma'am.
my eyes.
All right. I have a plea form that indicates she's gonna plead to retail fraud third degree, the 93-day offense, which is as charged. And then the prosecutor will recommend sentence under hideout.
Yes, Jeff,
That's
before,
correct, Your Honor.
before we go too far though, this was Ms. Perenni's file. Is there an advice of rights already in the file? Ms. Hines believes she had already done one.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Signed, can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
State your name again for the record, please.
Maya Hines.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ma'am, it is this court's understanding you're going to plead guilty to the charge of retail fraud third degree. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. Fine could be increased to 3 times the value of the property taken. If that's greater than $500, that would become the maximum fine. You understand that?
Yes,
All right. Still wish to plead guilty?
yes,
And to that charge, how do you plead?
guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have trial of any kind.
Yes,
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
yes,
Any question regarding any of those rights?
no,
You understand you're giving up all of those rights, including the rights contained in paragraph 5, which are your trial rights.
yes,
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
yes,
Are you on probation or parole?
no,
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plea?
no,
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
no,
You're doing this voluntarily
yes,
of your own free will,
yes,
and because you believe that you are indeed guilty of this offense?
yes,
On the date. On the date of January 7th, 2023, at the location of Meyer at 3825 Carpenter Road, Pittsfield Township, Washington County, State of Michigan. What did you do on that date that makes you think that you're guilty?
May scan some grocery items.
Say that again for me? You kind of,
Didn't scan some grocery items.
okay, so you went through the register and skip scanned items
Yes,
and you were intending on leaving the store without paying for them?
yes,
Store was open to the public at the time?
yes,
You didn't have anybody's permission to take that property, did you?
no,
And the property you were attempting to take, that was property that was offered for sale by Meyer?
yes,
Ma'am, if I accept your plea, if between the time of my acceptance of your plea and the time of sentencing, if you commit misconduct as defined in the Michigan court rules, you would not be able to withdraw your plea and the court would not be bound by any sentence evaluation or recommendation. You understand that, ma'am?
yes,
Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
None from the people?
So on the record, Judge.
All right, and have I complied with the court?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have, Judge.
All right, court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty as charged. Defendant is referred to probation for pre-sentence investigation and report. Sentencing will be March 11, 2026 at 9 a.m. Do I have probation in? All right. Okay, ma'am, I'll need you
Yes.
just to wait on the line. I'm going to put you into a virtual breakout room with my probation department so we can begin the sentencing process, okay?
okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Court does call the case, People versus Trevor Howard.
Morning, Your Honor. Raymond Cook for the people.
Ron Rutherford on behalf of Trevor Howard.
Your name, sir?
Trevor Howard.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I'm requesting an adjournment of this matter. I have some more work to do.
February 18th, 2026, 9 a.m.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Howard. Bond will continue. They're in Zoom. Court does call the case, People versus Walter Peterson.
Morning, Your Honor.
Hey, Anita, unmuted. I got you.
State your name, Mr. Peterson.
Walter Peterson.
Thank you.
Morning, Honor. Sam Bernstein. I'm standing in for Attorney of Record Robert Ellman, who's caught up in another court right now.
All right. And Mr. Peterson, you have any problem with Mr. Bernstein stepping in for your attorney, Mr. Ellman, who's tied up? All right.
No.
Very good. Thank you.
Your Honor, Mr. Ellman is working towards a global resolution for Mr. Peterson. He has some other cases and he's requesting a adjournment at the court's discretion.
All right. I'll adjourn it out 2 weeks to February 18th, 2026, 9 a.m.
Your Honor, if possible, could we get a later date?
You want a later date? Are you Mr. Peterson, are you expected to be released anytime soon?
Nope.
Okay, very good. Thank you for that answer. March 4th. I'm gonna adjourn it out to March 4th then, 2026, 9 a.m.
All right.
Okay, all right. Thank you, sir. Which one?
Be in custody, please, they're there.
Court calls case People versus William Matthews.
Conrad Solar on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mr. Matthews.
Raymond Cook for the people on the file ending in 1451.
Court calls the case of the People versus Elizabeth Raget.
Morning, Your Honor. Raymond Cook for the people.
Morning, Your Honor. Sam Bernstein for Ms. Raget.
Your name?
I'm Elizabeth Raget.
All right, I have a plea form indicating that she's going to plead guilty to 2 counts of failure to report an accident.
At this moment, the judge knows something isn't right. The drug test is
Morning, Your Honor. Sam
sabotaged
Bernstein
and
for
patience
Ms. Raget.
instantly runs out.
Your name?
With a cold stare, the court makes it
I have a
clear
plea form
dishonesty will not be tolerated.
indicating
One
that
bad
she's gonna
decision
plead
turns
guilty
into a
to 2 counts of
life-changing
failure to
consequence
report an
as prison.
accident, the 90-day offenses. That's counts 4 and 5. Upon her successful plea to those charges, counts 1 and 3 would be dismissed. Defendant is agreeing to pay restitution in full.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
May I have her sworn?
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear to affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth so help you God?
I do.
State your name, please.
Elizabeth Raget.
All right. Ma'am, it is this court's understanding that you are going to plead guilty to 2 charges of failure to report an accident. Those are misdemeanors punishable by up to 90 days in jail and a $100 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
I do.
All right. Still wish to plead guilty?
Yes, sir.
To the charge of failure to report an accident as contained in count 4, how do you plead?
Guilty.
To that same charge as contained in count 5, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
I do, sir.
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
I did.
Any questions regarding those rights?
No, sir.
Please look at paragraph 5 on that form. You'll see a copy. Those are your rights, which are part of a trial. You understand by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
Yes, sir.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes, sir.
Are you on probation or parole?
I am on probation.
Were you on probation at the time of this offense?
No.
All right. Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead?
No, sir.
Has anybody threatened you or coerced you?
No, sir.
You're doing this voluntarily
I am.
of your own free will
Yes, sir.
and because you are guilty of these offenses?
Yes, sir.
On the date of March 27th, 2025, at the location of Carpenter Road near Center Valley Drive in Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, were you operating a motor vehicle?
I was, sir.
And in operating that motor vehicle, were you involved in an accident?
Yes, sir.
All right. Were there 2 accidents?
There's multiple, yes. Yes, sir.
All right. And you knew that you were involved in an
I
accident
did.
involving a Subaru and one involving an F-150?
I did. I saw the first one and the airbags deployed. I didn't know the make of the second, but I did know there were multiple.
All right. Knowing that you were involved, but you knew that
I did. Yes.
you had struck
Yeah.
another vehicle.
I did, sir. Yes.
All right. And in doing that, did you report that accident to the nearest and most convenient police
I did
station?
not, sir.
Did you stop at that location and provide information?
I did not, sir.
You didn't do either one of those.
No, sir.
All right. Ma'am, if I accept your plea, I do have to advise you if you commit misconduct between the time I accept your plea and the time of sentencing, that misconduct is defined under the Michigan court rules, that you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea and the court would not be bound by any sentence recommendation or evaluation.
I understand.
All right. Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements that have led to this plea?
None from the people?
No, Your Honor.
And have I complied with court rule?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's pleas of guilty to counts 4 and 5, counts 1, 2, and 3. Yes, 1, 2, and 3 are dismissed. Defendant is referred to probation for a pre-sentence investigation and report and determination of restitution. Sentencing in this matter will be March 11th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond will continue.
Thank
Sure.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm going.
Court calls the cases of People versus Kimberly Douglas.
Your Honor, Raymond Cook for the people.
Ron Brown pleading on behalf of Ms. Douglas.
Your name, ma'am?
Kimberly Sue Douglas.
Thank you. I have before me 2 plea forms indicating that the defendant is going to plead guilty to 2 charges, 1 in each file, of retail fraud in the 3rd degree. In the case ending in 1095, she is agreeing to pay restitution in the amount of $150. And in the other matter, there is no other agreement, but those are added count 2s that she's pleading to. Count 1 in each case would be dismissed.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
May I have her sworn?
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I swear to God.
State your name, please.
Kimberly Sue Douglas.
All right, ma'am, it is this court's understanding you're gonna plead to 2 counts of retail fraud in the 3rd degree.
Yes.
Okay, those are misdemeanors punishable by up to 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. The fine in each case could be increased to 3 times the value of the property taken. If that's greater than $500, that would become the maximum fine. You understand that?
Yes.
And understanding that, ma'am, do you still wish to plead guilty
Yes.
to the charge of retail fraud 3rd degree as contained in the case 123-1095? How do you plead?
Guilty.
To that same charge as contained in the other case ending in 1776, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you will not have a trial of any kind.
Correct.
All right. You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
Yes.
Any question regarding any of those rights?
No.
Please look at paragraph 5 on that form. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand that by pleading.
It's hard for her to see on the podium.
No, I got that. But we have one.
Yes, yes. Paragraph 5 is right.
Those are your rights, which are part of a trial. You understand that by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights of that.
Yes.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right. You're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes.
Are you on probation?
No.
Are you on parole?
No.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today to get you to plead?
No.
Anybody threaten you or force you?
No.
You're doing this voluntarily
Yes.
of your own free will
Yes.
because you believe that you are indeed guilty?
Yes.
All right, beginning in the case ending in 1095. On my paperwork. On the date of May 30th, 2023, at the location of 3090 Carpenter Road, Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, what did you do at the CVS that makes you think that you're guilty?
I had to take some Budweiser and some soup.
I'm sorry?
Some Budweisers and some soup.
All right, so you got Budweiser's and soup and you tried to walk out of the store without paying for them? The store was open to the public at the time?
Yes.
You didn't have anybody's permission to take that property, did you?
No.
All right, and the property that you took, that was property that was offered for sale by CVS?
Yes.
In the other matter, on the date of February 25th, 2023, at the location of 3825 Carpenter Road in Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, what did you do at the Meijer that makes you think that you're guilty?
I also had went in and got some foods, some dinner, and then I had got some liquor.
All right, and you tried to leave the store without paying for them?
Yes, half of it, yes.
All right, and the store was open to the public at the time?
It was.
You didn't have anybody's permission to take that property, did you?
No.
And that property you took from Myers, that was property that was offered for sale? All right. Ma'am, if I accept your plea, if between the time of my acceptance of your pleas in these cases and the time of sentencing, if you commit misconduct as defined in the Michigan court rule, you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea and the court would not be bound by any sentence.
The courtroom goes
All right.
silent.
Ma'am, if I
The judge
accept your
doesn't need to
plea, if
shout,
between the time of my
because
acceptance of
everyone
your pleas in
understands what
these
comes
cases and the
next.
time of sentencing.
This isn't anger.
If you commit
This is
misconduct as
control.
defined in the
And
Michigan
control
court
is
rule,
far more
you would
dangerous.
not be in sentence recommendation or evaluation. You understand that?
Yes.
Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
None from the people.
No, Your Honor.
And have I complied with the court?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's pleas of guilty to count 2 in each of these cases. Count 1 is dismissed in each case. Defendant is referred to probation for a pre-sentence investigation and report. Sentencing in these matters will be February 25th, 2026 at 12 noon.
Your Honor,
Yes.
you sentenced her to, last week to a year in jail, credit 96 days, I believe.
Yes.
I was just,
Your Honor, people have no objection to immediate sentencing. I'm seeing she has an estimated release date of August 20,
I understand that, but there's gotta be a determination on restitution. So that contact has to be made.
Understood, Your Honor. She also has provided the court with letters.
She has. All right.
And I'm going to try to make payment on those while I'm here. Because I have like a payee, so she's gonna try to make payment on my bills because Laura got rid of her, I owe her too. So I'm trying to pay those bills off before I leave her.
All right. So it's just a few days out. What we'll do is I'll sentence her on that date and then everything will be clear as to what she has to pay. Maybe Miss Polera can, in terms of the restitution, try to arrange with her payee so that that properly gets paid in.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Okay, thank
And
you.
if I have to wiggle with me, I can try to pay this one first and then, I don't know, I'm just trying to see which ones to pay first.
All right. We'll figure it out. Thank you. Court calls case People versus Grant Lucia.
Your Honor, reading the code for the people.
Did it wrong again.
Court shall feature Assistant Public Defender on behalf of
It's
Mr. Grant
Duche.
Duche. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Grant Matthew Duche.
Thank you, Judge. Mr. Cook did make a offer this morning. Unfortunately, that's would have to be a no contest. So I'd be asking for an adjournment for the next possible court date so that we could get that plea entered.
February 18th, 2026, 9 a.m.
I have tendered the advice of rights and police report for the file.
Okay. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Very good.
Thanks
See you
very
in a
much.
couple weeks, sir. Weeks. Court calls the case of the People versus April Fleming.
Your Honor, reading the code for the people.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's an in custody. All right. While they're on their way out, let me call the case of the People versus Devon Gibson.
Your Honor, reading the code for the people.
Devon Gibson. I'll issue an order to show cause. Court calls the case of the People versus April Fleming.
Morning again, Your Honor, reading the code for the people.
Ready, Judge Court shall feature Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Ms. Fleming, who is approaching the podium. Please state your name.
All right.
Thank you, Judge. Mr. Brown met with Ms. Fleming in the county jail. I understand that they're still working on a resolution. We'll be asking for a brief adjournment.
During this matter, February 18th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bound continued.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, ma'am. All I have is in custody. Got it. Court does call the case People versus Jason Heron.
Your Honor, reading the code for the people.
Ron Brown, on behalf of Mr. Heron, we received a community corrections bond violation report that he was released from our jail and transferred to a different jail and was released there. They haven't had any contact since.
Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear on 5,000, 10%. Warrant will issue immediately. Court calls case of the People versus John Hart.
Your Honor, reading the code for the people.
Ron Brown, appearing on behalf of Mr. Hart.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, Amy.
Yes, it's okay. Your name?
John Hart.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I'm requesting an adjournment. I have some more homework to do on this case. Yeah.
February 18th, 2026, 9 a.m.
February 8th, Your Honor.
Yes.
Thank you.
Bond will continue. Thank you, Mr. Hart.
Yes.
Oh, sir. It's okay.
Thank you.
Court calls case People versus Maya Hines. Your name, sir?
William Matthews.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I'm requesting an adjournment so I can resolve these cases hopefully by the next pre-trial.
February 18th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you. Thank you.
Court calls the case of the People versus Jacob Hodge.
Reading the code for the people.
Judge, defendant on behalf of Mr. Jacob Hodge, who I present or on Zoom. I did reach out to him by phone. We were not able to reach him. I'm not sure why he's not present. I request a show cause.
Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. Bond 5,000. Give a 10% privilege. That warrant will issue immediately.
Thank you, Judge.
Court does call the case People versus Jason Smith.
Conrad Solar on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mr. Smith. Please state your name.
Jason Smith, Your Honor, how are you?
I'm very good. Yourself?
I'm okay, sir.
Good.
Your Honor, I'm requesting an adjournment to 8/26. I'll come see you. Oh, you gotta get the date.
February 18th, 2026, 9 a.m.
Thank you.
All right, Bond.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you, sir. Court calls the case of the People versus Wilmer Hudson.
Judge.
Your Honor.
Court shall speak to assistant public defender on behalf of Mr. Hudson, who's approaching the podium. State your name when you get here.
Wilmer Hudson.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. I just speak to Mr. Hudson about
Take
this.
your hands out of your pockets, please.
I just speak to Mr. Hudson about this case on the phone. There are some videos in the file he wants to watch. We can have an adjournment so that we can get that done.
February 18th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continue.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you,
9
sir.
a.m.
Okay.
We'll be for that. Give me a call.
Court calls the case People
Okay.
versus Noman Khan.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Khan.
Sir, please state your name.
Noman Rahman Khan.
All right.
I'm requesting adjournment so I can,
We need to get going on this because
yes, Your Honor.
this has been, this is the last adjournment, February 18th, 2026, 9 a.m.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you. Court calls case of the People versus Joshua Wara. Here we go.
Not represented by counsel in this matter, Your Honor.
He's not?
It's a competency review.
Okay. Your name?
Joshua William Wara.
All right. Did we get a report on this?
Your Honor, I do believe that we received I have it
Yes, I see it.
dated January 14th. Our office received, I believe, on the 28th. I would stipulate to the entry of that report and ask that the court find the defendant, I believe was competent, was the finding.
Yes, it was competent. Mr. Wara, did you want to review this report? This is a competency report. It found you competent to stand trial.
Yes, Your Honor, I've already reviewed it.
Okay.
I had a question.
Okay, go ahead.
Is there any way I could get a bond reduction by chance?
Well, I'm not going to deal with the bond reduction right now. I've got to deal with this part of it.
Okay, thank
Do you
you.
have any objection to what's contained in the report?
No,
Okay, and you don't mind the court considering that in the determination of competency?
no, Your Honor.
All right. Based upon a review of that report, the court would find that the defendant is competent to stand trial. Specifically, the court would find that the defendant can rationally assist in his defense and does understand the nature and objects of the proceedings against him. Therefore, the defendant is deemed competent. And since he does not have counsel in this case, Mr. Cook, if you could please prepare a competency order for the court signature.
I believe.
Is there one in there?
We've already done that. But if it's not there, I'm certainly.
Just a second. It's here. I got it. So I will,
I'm currently trying to retain a lawyer, Your Honor.
okay. So, Mr. Warren, you say you're trying to retain one?
Yes. I have a public defender, Hannah, and also Gina for my felony.
I'm sorry, say again?
I said I have a public defender at the moment. I don't know why she is not present.
Okay, when you say you have a public defender, is that on your other cases?
That's on this one. She was here at the last hearing. Hannah.
Who did? Okay, so you're represented by Hannah Apple
Yes, Your Honor.
at another proceeding. Was that before me, though?
No, yes.
Yeah, I think that was a PCC.
So here's the problem. On this case, you don't have an attorney assigned to you. Hang on, did you want me to assign the public defender to represent you on this?
Yes, I would like
Okay.
legal representation for now.
All right, thank you, Mr. Ward. Then this is a public defender case.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mr. War. Your Honor, now that he's been found competent, will you set another pretrial date?
I will.
Earliest date possible.
I'll adjourn it to February, earliest date is February 18th, 2026, 9 a.m.
As to bond, Your Honor?
Yeah, what's his other bond?
Your Honor, looking in X jail, his bond on his other matter set at 25,000. I don't see a 10%. I would also note he has a parole holdout from MDO.
Okay. So here's what I'm gonna do, Mr. Warren, let me explain why. I'm gonna keep your bond where it is so that you're getting credit on this case. Because even if I change it, you're not gonna go anywhere. Because you've got a bond on the other case.
Your Honor, with the parole hold, I believe that I do not get any time accredited towards anything because I have a parole hold.
Well, theoretically, yeah. I mean, you're right, but it wouldn't matter. Well, if I set a PR, then you're still not gonna go anywhere. So it doesn't.
I believe my agent would lift my hold if I was able to post bond.
Well, why don't if you were able to post bond? So here's what I'll do. I'm not gonna do anything today. I'll consider that if, once the PD checks, and if that's true, then I'll consider reducing it. How about that?
Okay, is the 18th pretrial by chance?
It's a pretrial, yes.
Could I come for immediate sentencing? Get sentenced?
Well, it depends on if there's a plea. You haven't even, Mr. Warren, so that you know, you haven't even been found guilty of this. So I can't sentence you because there's no conviction of anything. So, Mr. Warren, hang on. Here's what I want you to do, all right? I'm gonna adjourn it out 2 weeks. I want you to talk to your attorney. We'll come back and then we'll figure out what we do at that time. And I may consider immediate sentencing. The problem is we got restitution on it. That may be applicable in this case. I don't know.
What's your parole agent's name?
Agent Michael Crowell.
You know, which, is it airport? Which office?
It's at the CMH building downtown Ypsilanti on Towner.
Got it.
That's where I report, but it's with Washtenaw County Parole.
Yes. And you have his number?
No.
I'll get it.
Can you give me a copy of it also?
Yes. Not right now.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Warren?
Thank you.
All
Thank
right,
you, Mr.
great.
Simpson.
This
Thank
is
you, Judge.
This is a lot better than the last time, right?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, all right,
Thank you,
buddy.
Honorable Judge.
All right, you take care.
Have a great day.
You too. Court calls the case, People versus Shannon Kiesling.
Your Honor, reading the people.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Shannon Kiesling, Your Honor. I spoke to her last night. I'm asking for adjournment for her to reconsider sobriety.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
Okay.
To reconsider it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna, yeah.
Okay, let me ask this. Is she going to try to go through that process?
Yes. And I believe she's already been referred. She was meeting with Mr. Ted Heaton.
Yeah.
And
when is that supposed to take?
well, she had.
I've already done it.
She had, and at first it wasn't a fit for her. But after we talked last night, she's now gonna find a way to make it work.
Right.
Okay. I'm not sure what that means. I don't know. I need to know. Will the 18th be enough time for her to figure that out?
What?
The 18th?
We'll have to find out. I'm not sure when the next meeting is. And we would adjourn so that between now and the next meeting.
Thursdays, it's every other
Thursday, but I can't remember if it was last week or this Thursday.
I'm looking at Judge Frischer's calendar, I'm not seeing it this week. It looks like there's not one next week from what I can tell. It's like just a deep down.
Okay, so what I'll just go to March 4th.
March
2026, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
So March 4th, that time to meet with Mr. Heaton.
Actually, there is one on the 12th. I don't know if the 18th would
Oh, there is one on the twelfth?
Well, hold on.
Then I'll adjourn it to the eighteenth.
So there's one on the twelfth. You want to go to the one on the twelfth? I'll send Mr. Heaton an email.
Okay. No, I've already done and paid $100 to do one of these.
But I think you need to see him again because he was under the impression he didn't want to attend.
Oh, no, he wasn't. This
Okay,
was later. This was with my lawyer. What's her name?
Perini,
Yeah.
I'm the new guy.
Okay.
Don't beat up the new guy.
No, I'm done.
218.
All right, the eighteenth, okay, Ms. Dees? Go at that.
Yeah,
I'll
just
talk
to
to
help me
Heaton.
figure it out. Okay.
I'll talk. to
I can
Heaton.
hear you better today. I got new hearing aids.
Thank you.
Yep, all set then?
Great.
And you'll get a hold of me?
Yes, when I talk to Mr. Heaton.
I know. I got you.
Stop at her counter. Paper reminding him. Yeah.
Court calls case People versus Austin Knox.
Morning, Your Honor, Raymond Cook for the people.
How much is on there, do we know?
Ready, Judge, court shall please to assist the public defender on behalf of Mr. Knox, who's approaching the podium. Please take the record.
Austin James Knox, how are you doing, Your Honor?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Thank you, Judge. I believe we're gonna need an adjournment on Mr. Knox's file. He also wants me to make a bond request, Judge.
Turn the matter to March fourth, 2026, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Judge. My
Oh,
understanding.
how many? And it's in the afternoon. All right.
Okay, I just spoke with Mr. Knox briefly, got to know him a little bit. Apparently, he is on testing through this court through community corrections. Apparently, he's doing alcohol and drug testing there. He indicates that he has been doing his testing.
What?
He indicates he has been doing his testing, but it's been putting a strain on his employment. He indicates that he works in Taylor for a rental car place as a mechanic. He should leave work early, come in and test. He was hoping maybe the frequency could be changed.
How often is he testing? Looks like.
Once a week.
Is it once a week?
Yeah, even with once a week, my boss is getting upset with me about it. They expect me to be there from 6 to 6 every day.
I got you. So what I will do is I'll reduce it testing to 1 time per month.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you very much, Judge.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Do I need to go to community corrections now? Or,
Are you scheduled?
Why you feel like you're,
no,
no, I'm kidding.
no.
Um,
Well, my number is called today.
Was it, yeah, I'd go over there and get tested. If they called it today, go over and test today.
Talk to my lady, figure out the once a month thing.
Yeah, I probably wouldn't refer to her that way, but yes. Talk to her, tell her that Judge Simpson reduced you to once a month. They'll get a new order over there sometime today with that on it.
All right.
All right, but if you test today, then you'll be good for a while.
All right. Thank
All
you.
right, you're welcome.
You have a good day.
Thank you, Judge.
Court calls the case, People versus Elizabeth Lohman.
Morning, Your Honor, Raymond Cook for the people.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Ms. Loman. She's in Florida. Is she on our Zoom?
Ms. Lohman? Oh, there she is. All right, state your name, please.
Elizabeth Woman.
All right,
Your Honor, I'm requesting an adjournment. I have some more discovery I have to obtain.
I'll adjourn it to March 4th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continued. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Court calls the case, People versus Carlos Mack.
Morning, Your Honor, Raymond Cook for the people.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mr. Mack.
Carlos Mack? Oh, there he is.
Your Honor, there was an offer tendered by the prosecution, but we still have some more homework on the case. I'm requesting a brief adjournment. He has a sentencing next week in front of you on an OWVI, I believe.
February 18th, 2026, 9 a.m.
Thank you.
Continue.
Not, yes. See,
Court calls case, People versus Elijah One Matthews.
Your Honor, Raymond Cook.
Worship the Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Mr. Elijah Matthews. Hopefully he is present.
Elijah One Matthews, he's not in.
All right, well, Judge, I did speak to Mr. Matthews yesterday. He was gonna ask me to request an adjournment to review the video. I don't know why he's not present. I would request a show cause or an adjournment.
Bench warrant, 5,000, 10%. That warrant will issue immediately.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Court calls case of the People versus Chauncey Milligan.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Chauncey Milligan. I believe he's on Zoom.
Chauncey?
I am.
There he is. Okay. We got him. He's Motorola. All right. What are we-
Requesting an adjournment. There's an offer in the case. I haven't been able to relay it to him.
Got it. All right, Chauncey, I'm gonna adjourn you out to March 4th. 2026, 9 a.m. Okay?
Okay,
All right. You take care.
you too.
All right. Court calls case, People versus Jessica Mitchell.
Your Honor, Raymond Cook.
Judge Portia Feaster, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Ms. Mitchell, who's approaching the podium. When you arrive, please state your name for the record.
Jessica Mitchell.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. I believe Ms. Mitchell is requesting an adjournment. She is hoping I can get an offer from Mr. Cook that might keep the record clean. So
What? We'll
that might
keep the
keep-
record clean.
She's been cooked for the last 7 years, Judge. So she
What?
she has had no problem for the last 7 years. So she's
7 years.
Yes, Judge. So she's trying to maintain a clean track record.
7 years?
7 years, Judge.
I don't either.
Look at you.
Right? No. So
Proud of you too, Judge.
this can happen. Good things can happen.
I'm gonna negotiate on her behalf, Judge.
I'll adjourn it to March 4th, 2026, 9 a.m. All right, thank you, man.
Thank you, Judge.
Court does call the case, People versus Whitney Mitchell.
Your Honor, Raymond Cook for the People.
Ready, Judge. Torsia Feaster, Assistant Public Defender, appearing on behalf of Ms. Whitney Mitchell.
Miss Mitchell's in Zoom. Miss Mitchell?
Yes.
All right, I need a camera, please.
Okay, I'm trying to. Okay, sorry.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
Thank you, Judge. I did speak to Ms. Mitchell yesterday.
You're not driving, right?
No, I'm parked outside of my job waiting to clock in. I just went to the car so
Okay.
they couldn't hear me.
Okay, gotcha. Okay. What
Thank
are
you,
we doing?
Judge. According to the notes in this file, Ms. Mitchell has already done a private assessment, but she has not been able to have those records turned over yet to the appropriate people. So she's willing to do a assessment with Statman or one of the other people after Friday when she gets her paycheck. So she's requesting an adjournment so she can do a new assessment. She'll do that after she's paid.
Okay, we need to get this thing moving.
Yes, Judge.
And then what's the hope with the assessment? I guess some.
Yes.
Yeah, I believe we're working on getting her to sobriety court.
Okay, gotcha.
That's what the notes indicate, Judge. Yes.
So I'll adjourn this out then to March 4th,
Thank you, Judge.
2026, 9 a.m.
You got to get that done, Miss Mitchell, okay?
Okay, I'll go. I'll set it up.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Court calls case, People versus John Neary.
Your Raymond Cook for the People.
Oh, there he is.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mr. Neary.
Your name, sir?
John Neary.
How you doing?
Yes, sir. I mean, good morning. How are you doing? How you doing, Alan?
All right, what are we doing?
It's up 517
Requesting adjournment
620
620
0215.
0215. Yeah, I didn't have your number, so
Okay.
All
we'll
right,
call you
They called me yesterday.
I'll adjourn it out to March 4th,
March 4th.
2026, 9 a.m. All right, his bond will continue. Sir, how's your family?
Had a little turn for the worse there, like 2 weeks ago.
Pardon?
The wound won't hold or not like that. She's up at U of M now. She's might do another surgery. I have to be like a third one.
All right.
So it's a pad. It's not.
I got
Okay,
you.
all
You
right.
know you're still in our prayers, right?
Yes, sir, I do. I appreciate it.
Take care.
I love that suit.
Oh, thank you.
I didn't want to say nothing with it like that. I like, oh.
Thank you, sir.
Court calls the case, People versus Russell Norville.
Good morning, Your Honor. Raymond Cook for the people.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mr. Norville.
He's in too. Sir, state your name.
Russell Norvell.
I'm requesting an adjournment. I'm still trying to get the other video. I showed him what I had. I talked to him.
There's
and told
another
him.
video.
Yes, Your Honor.
Adjourn this to March 4th, 2026, 9 a.m. bond continue.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
That's the recall for Mr. Bird.
Okay.
I did speak to the
His-
attorney's office. They said about
An hour?
well, but that was
That was a while
that
back.
was a while, yes.
All right. Sir, your attorney's on his way down.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court's in recess.
All rise. Maybe seated.
What can we do on?
This is the line defendants never want to hear.
Thank you.
The judge is
Court's in
done
recess.
explaining,
All rise.
done negotiating. One more mistake, and jail becomes inevitable. This courtroom doesn't offer second chances.
Maybe seated.